Day 31, and now we're starting to look at some of the higher questions on the calculator papers. We want to find the volume of a prism. The volume of a prism is always going to be your cross-section, meaning the flat bit, so essentially the area of this multiplied by how far it goes back, because you're copying it and copying and copying it back. So let's look at the area. We have a rectangle here, which is going to be 12 times 10 to give us 120. And then we've got this triangle. Now for the area of a triangle, you want half base times height, but we don't know the height. We know this is 40. Because this is 10, therefore half of it is 5. And we want to find the height here. So what we're going to be using is we're going to be using trigonometry. Now there is a reason this is 5 marks. So we're going to be using trig or SOHCAHTOA. If we have a look, what do we know? We know opposite is h and adjacent is 5. So therefore we're using tan. So we have tan 40 equals opposite over adjacent. The height is therefore 5 times tan 40. So now if we were to work out the area of the triangle, it's going to be a half times your base times your height. So once we've done that, we're going to work out the total area. And I wouldn't put things in your calculator till you have to. You're getting all your working marks here. So you've got 120 plus a half times 10 times 5 tan 40. And when you substitute that into your calculator, you're going to get 140.977, but you leave it in your calculator. So the volume is going to be that number which you've left in your calculator, so you just press times 20 and it should come up with answer times 20 and you get 2819.5. We want 3 significant figures, so 3 numbers. So we're going to have 2, 8, and this is closer to 20, so 2,820.